How to upgrade characters in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and wait for the main screen to load. Here you will see your current character, events and menu options. To upgrade your character, tap on the character icon on the home screen. Once you are inside the customize menu, you will see all the characters you have unlocked so far. Tap on the one you want to upgrade. Each character in Sonic Rumble can be enhanced to perform better in races, move faster, and handle obstacles more efficiently. Next, look for the level up button located below your selected character. You will need rings or specific upgrade materials to level up. The more you play and win races, the more rings and rewards you will earn, which can then be used to upgrade your favorite characters. When you upgrade a character, you will notice improvements in their speed, agility, and overall performance. Higher level characters gives you a better chance to win races and collect rewards faster. Make sure to focus on upgrading the characters you use most often to maximize your progress. Finally, customize your character with unique outfits and accessories to make them stand out during races. While customization doesn't affect performance directly, it gives your character a fun and personal touch. Now you know how to upgrade characters in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.